Oh, this stuff is everywhere. Oh. NQ. Does everyone know that NQ's in a short? Hi, good morning. Alright, hold on. I gotta share this. There's too much happening right now. Share? All right. Good morning. Hi. Very exciting dreams. Oh, I just actually replied to you. Does everyone know that we're in NQ Pink? All right, NQ Pink is green $900. I'm going to move that in the front here just so you guys can see this play out. I didn't even know we were in this trade. All right. All right. Sorry, getting back organized. Alright, I gotta get on TikTok too. I feel like well, MQ's pulling back. Alright, we're gonna look at this chop zone. We got a lot going on here. We're running into the LIS. Zoot. Oil was 1-for-1 overnight, which is awesome because oil has been so amazing. Made $300. Yesterday, oil was 2-for-2. ES was 1-for-2, and NQ was 1-for-1. So this whole week has been great. I think we're up like $2,100 on the week. What time is it? 9:23. Alright, I gotta get on. The market's gonna open in 7 minutes. Hey, Eduardo. Hi. Sorry I'm doing so much typing this morning. Justin F., I don't think I've seen you post in the results the past 3 days, and we've been green every day. Where have you been at? Alright. Also, if someone, I think Carter's going to do it if he's on, but it makes it super helpful if when I'm live on TikTok, if someone can share the live in the Slack group. So it would have to be obviously someone in the group. All right, NQ got out of break even. It was green like $900 there. So if you were manually managing that, congrats. All right, so ES is the only thing. Just actually made money today, 1 for 1. This is where we're at. What do I feel like? That looks wrong. But, oh no, maybe not. I don't know why. What's going on here? What is going on? Hi. Please give a thumbs up on YouTube. I had people, no joke, emailing me yesterday and the day before, like, where are you on YouTube? Why aren't you around? And I'm like, what? Like, I made it very clear I was traveling for business Monday through Wednesday. And I feel like, do people just join the live and don't actually listen? I'm not sure how that works out for them. But, like, y'all, come on. I talked about it on Friday. I did say I was going to be live because I forgot that I can't be live on YouTube on my laptop. But, yeah, we're coming out of the chop zone here. I don't know what that means. Oh, thank you. I was going to ask. Alright, I really need to get on second. Range bot, you run live on all. Yes, I run live on all 3. And Randy just did the math today. We are green 18. And this is with the minimum amount of contracts. Like the smallest sizing you could take. The past 3 months has been $18,678. And 33% of the 55 days were red. What, 31% of the 50? So, 70% were green? The individual days, I guess. One of my buddies in the group just sent me a spreadsheet that he did all this work with, which I really appreciate. So, I'm going to look at that this afternoon. I have 2 student sessions today. So, after the live, I have a student session.
Order canceled.
And then I have another one this afternoon. Let me turn this down. I still have a cold, whatever this is. Sometimes my phone looks really grainy if I go too close to the screen, and then sometimes it looks really nice. Alright. Cool. So, I'm live on TikTok. If anyone is in the group and they're on TikTok and they could share the link, that would be great. Because I don't think I can, because it would then take me out of the app. Alright, hi. Did I tell you or what? I kind of forget now, King, honestly. The drop in the Rumega for CPI. We were talking about CPI a bunch yesterday in the group. Yesterday I did not go live. Thank you, Kyle. Thank you so much. All right. No, that was a totally different day. King, what are you talking about? That was 2 days ago. That was Tuesday. What was Tuesday, the 10th? This was the 10th. It never blew through, dude. It never blew through. This was the 10th right here. Yeah, but no, it's only valid for that day. So you were actually wrong. This is until midnight. This is January 11th. So, no. Typically you're right, and I'll always give you your kudos. But the high was 11,303. So it went to the chop zone and then went sideways. And then on 8 a.m. on Wednesday, it went higher. But that's not the chop zone on Wednesday. The chop zone changes every single day. The chop zone now is all the way up here at 11,500. I think most people would consider this a drop. From 500 to 289. I don't think people are holding positions for over 200 points, but I could be wrong. No, not that one, Kyle. Oh, very good. I will send you a cookie today, but you don't need my cookies because you can buy your own cookies. All right, market's opening right above 11,500, but the chop zone for today is also super valid. A few members already took the long here at 481. Again, the chop zone is given now at 6 a.m. every day. Nope, Randy, that's the wrong... What? Hi. Oh, Carter, can you share it, please? All right, oil's 1 for 1 overnight. Oil for the week is 100%. Let me show y'all what's been happening. What the? No, Pepe, not there. Oh my gosh, there are so many things going on this morning. Blah. In the thread, not just in chat. Thank you. And then I'll actually put it in announcements as well. So this is this week. So far, I cut it out yesterday and posted it in the group. Oil, $600, $600, and then $300 today. $1,500 on oil. We don't trade it on Tuesday. $1,500 on oil with one contract. 4 days. That's awesome. That's all I gotta say. Yeah, $1,500. So yeah, so it could take another trade today. We'll see if it does. It might not. And $300 is fine. But oil is $1,500, 100% on the week. $1,500 in profit. Thanks, Alex. Sorry, I still sound nasally. If you're new here, I go live every day from about 9:15 to 10:30, showing my fully automated algorithm. What is this? Fast isn't a short, y'all. Fast isn't a short. I have fast, I have Santa, I have pink, I have the oil that I'm testing, which I think is actually going to fall on the side of caution with what we do when it comes to the scalper anyway. So I think maybe we'll get some better results with that in a slightly different market. Thank you, Randy. That is perfect. I love people that like Excel spreadsheets. Oh, this fast. Oh, Santa's in a short. Hold on. Santa's in a short. Santa banana, right? Or is it the pink? Oh, maybe it's pink. Pink was in a short before for $900. It was pink. Pink was in this short initially here at 11,482. And it went down to 431, so 50 points. $1,000 essentially, and then it pulled back up. It came on at break even. Are there different settings for different days? Something like that. It's all given to you in the group. It's very hands-off. Like sometimes I feel like I make it sound more complicated than it is. Pink's been performing well. Yeah, I don't, Pink is amazing, but range is my go-to right now, for sure. Like oil, especially because it's overnight, we're all sleeping. We just wake up. It's like you're waking up to Christmas every day. It's like, oh, here's $900, here's $600, here's $300. And I only take one contract. So I'm up $1,500. That's on one contract. If you take 3 contracts, you're up $4,500 in 4 days off of one strategy, one algorithm in my program. Even just running the one, that covers everything. That covers almost 2 months of the service in 4 days. If you guys want more information, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. Yep. KW, I don't know why you didn't email me like 3 weeks ago when you first joined this live stream. My admin will send you the informational email, and then you can go from there. So we're still in this short. This level's holding pretty well here. Well, not anymore. At 11,440. All right, $500 on the short. I just got funded on Ninja. Yay! Rod the Sponge. Can't wait to have you in the group. If this candle closes red, you're money. Yeah, well, I'm money anyway. We already made $300 on oil. We're already green at $2,100 on the week. And that's with the smallest amount of contracts. Like, I'm not over here running 10 minis. I'm running 1 mini. All right, guaranteed green on this short. Thanks, John. Yeah, my trip was good. I actually didn't feel that well, though, halfway through it. So I had to rest and not do some things that I really wanted to do. We're green $2,100 in 3 days. So now with this oil trade, we're green $2,400 through this morning. $2,400 on minis, but the smallest amount you could take of minis. So 1 mini on ES, 1 mini on CL. As of yesterday, since mid-October, the past 55 days, the total net profit for the minimum amount of contracts on oil, ES, and NQ range was $18,678. That's insane. That is insane. I gotta take a picture and then put that on Twitter. One of my members created an Excel spreadsheet for himself and then was sharing it with the group. $18,000, and that's 100% hands-free. Oh, this week came out of break-even again. Oh, but we're in a $300 long? What's that, fast? Fast is in a $300 long. Low. Look at this. Yeah, it's so true. You sound like you're feeling better. Yeah, I'm okay. So it wasn't a stop loss. It was a break-even offset, but yes. So it's a flat trade. It's taking it again. You can manually manage this. So like this is the stop loss. When you're in the green, especially like it was already at break even, you can move it down into profit if you wanted to. This setup is on simulation because of some factors that we look at in the market. So I post every night when I'm running for the next day. So people have more than 12 hours to kind of make a plan for themselves. Most people just copy what I'm doing. And the plan typically stays the same day to day. Certain market factors can change that. And that's talked about in the group. It's just not something I'm going to discuss on the free live stream. But yeah, so that is why, like, this is on simulation and so is Pink. But they're fun to watch and they take some really good trades even when I'm not running them live. So fastest green, $250 so far. And NQ, this one short was $1,000. This short, 58, it went down to 20, was almost $800. Yeah. So was almost $800. So you could take your stop loss and move it down if you're manually managing this, and that's something we talk about in the group. But some people don't have time to manually manage, or they don't want to, and that's totally fine. Then they're just going to run the conservative setups, which are range, which are the ones that I talk about the most because they're my favorite, and they were 84% to 88% on the entire year of 2022. And those are the ones that Randy's talking about when he's talking about this $18,000 in the last 55 days. This is what I just posted on Twitter. So Randy just posted this in the group. Again, he has made his own spreadsheet, and he broke down 55 days, had around 70% green days, 31% red days. And it made $18,678 in 55 days. And this is all 100% hands-free. Those are the setups where you turn it on at night, and that's it. You don't do anything else. Oh. Are we back in the short? So we're in the short again. This is the third short for Pink. Also, Fast. Was that Fast or Santa? Oh, Fast was just in a $900 short too. Santa hasn't taken any trades. Oh, it did. It took one for a loss. A $200 loss. All right, so Pink is still in this short again. Can you explain why your long entry was a good time to enter? No, I don't explain anything. Listen, the algorithm is doing what it's supposed to do. I don't question it. I don't get my emotions involved. I don't try to be better than my algorithm because my algorithm makes me a lot of money. So it does what it does, and yeah. But that was the Fast, and the Fast gets in longs and shorts at crazy random times. Can you set this up so you could go to work and not have to do anything? Yes, 100%. That's exactly what I'm talking about when it comes to range. You turn it on at 6 p.m. Oh, yeah, sounds good, KW. Your bank account is going to have to match. Like, if you're opening up an individual trading account with just yourself, also your bank account can only have you on it. All right, so we're green $1,000 on this short. Again, this short was $1,000 at one point. This short was $800 at one point. So you easily could be green $500, like $2,000 here on just NQ Pink. But I'm not touching it. I always stick by that rule that I don't touch any of my algorithms. I let them do their thing. So yes, I could be sleeping right now. I could be at an office job. I could be shopping. I could be at the spa. All of this is going to be exactly as it is because I never touch anything. Great. Can you say $18,000 profit is what percentage? I mean, like 2K investment. Yeah, so that's based off of a $10,000 account. So obviously it wouldn't be $18,000 for a $2,000 account. But you can do that math there if you want. I just can't do it off the top of my head right now. John said, take Lauren's mentorship. She teaches you everything about trading futures. It's true. It's true. Sounds good, KW. So yes, the ranges are the most conservative. Those were the ones that, so it's NQ, ES, and CL, which is oil. All three of those are on bold range. When you join the group, you're given them right away with the settings, with the chart parameters, all of that. And those are the ones that we're talking about are green $18,000 over the last 55 trading days. ES has liquidity lower. We might get it. What? Justin, you drunk? I'm just kidding. Does it work with Meta 5? Nope, it has to be on NinjaTrader. Thanks to the show, does it work on Apex? Yes, it does work on Apex. I have several people in my group that have passed their Apex funding programs. I can even show you if I scroll up far enough. Oh, I might be able to just search Fabian. Hold on. Search. Can I search in this channel? Oh, yes. People. F-A. Wait, no, I wanted to search him in results. Results? Sorry. Find in results. There we go. Alright. Where's his post? He passed his January 8th? No, it's a conversation. All right, I'm going to have to find it later. But yeah, people pass their evaluations all the time. We're green $1,800 on this short. Again, I don't need to look at it because it doesn't really matter. Fast is also green, $305. It's in this long. Again, I'm not going to explain this because it's fast, and that's how it works. Even though clearly the overall trend is down. If you have questions, let me know. Top, did you use the algo to qualify with Apex? Yeah, you can use it to qualify. How did CPI treat you today? We don't trade during those reports, so we were fine. Oh, Janish, been in the stream now for like 2 weeks. Did you email me? You said you emailed me the other day, but I didn't see it. My admin probably responded to you. So you can just email me, Howard, boldbotllc@gmail.com. This is the scalper. The ranges are the other algos. So range is my one algo. Scalper is my other algo. I have a bunch, but those are my two that I focus on the most. I really wanted to see if I could find it, but like I know I could if I scroll up, but it's just going to take me forever. Oh, only in results. Is it this one? Yes, here it is. I found it. Okay, Monday, January 2nd. See? Fabian passed his certificate of funding on a $50,000 account. Apex on Apex. Yeah, I have a bunch of people that use Apex. But I was really excited when I saw his little certificate, so I wanted to show you guys. So yeah, if you want more information, just email me. How long does it take to withdraw? It literally takes a day. You submit an ACH withdrawal and it comes out right away. There's no processing time. They don't need to hold your money. AID, I don't make long-term assumptions or even like swing assumptions. I just trade the price that's in front of me. It's up to you. Doing the mentorship first is really beneficial because you're going to learn a lot. And you get 1 free month in the Slack group. So you get to be amongst all of my Algo members and my students. And you get access to the private student channel. So taking the mentorship first can be super, super beneficial. Like I would definitely recommend it. And then you can do the trial of the algorithm after that if that's something you wanted to do. Yep, sure thing, Gaz. Even if I'm stupid 80% of the time. Oh, that's so funny. Can you run NASDAQ in the futures off of one bot? Yes. So NASDAQ is a future. So futures is a market. The NASDAQ is a product on the market. Let me move this down. If you want more info, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. And make sure you follow me. I go live every day from about 9:15 to 10:30. When I read your videos, nope. So Janish, you didn't read the videos. You watched the videos. Those are my old videos on Tradeovate. I still use Tradeovate to manually trade. But NinjaTrader is the only broker you can use when it comes to algo trading. If you go to my YouTube, literally, you're probably just looking at like the most popular. When I talk about, this is my YouTube, Bold Bot. Go down here. This is all NinjaTrader. All of this is NinjaTrader. You go to my videos, they're all NinjaTrader for the last like 2 years. And then if you come down here, this is Tradeovate. So yes, I have videos on Tradeovate because I was only manually trading for like 5 years. And now I've been algorithmically trading for the last almost 3 years. John agrees that the mentorship taught him so much. We are green $2,200 on this short. And remember, you could have already locked up easily another 1,000 on the previous 2 trades that broke even by having me just not touch them at all. I don't trade stocks. I'm sure they are down today. CPI was crapola as normal. All right, so we're still in this short. I do have a level here at 11,326, and then ultimate would be 11,316. Sure thing, Howard. What's the difference between self-funding versus others? If you're funding your own account, it's all cash. You get to keep all the profits. If you are being funded by someone else, number one, you have to pass an evaluation first before you get out of a simulation account. And then second, you keep 90% of the profit. And you have to pay their, look at that Trump. You have to pay their market data, which is a bit more expensive per month than regular. But if using a funded account, it's a great option for people that don't have the cash. All right, let's see if we can break this and go down to that 316 that I mentioned. Bye, John. Oh, funded is great for Canadians. You're right. No, Janish, the mentorship is a one-time payment, $1,000. It's just a one-time payment. The only thing that's a subscription is the algorithm. Yeah. All you have to do is go long out of the chop and then go short out of the chop. So easy, y'all. So easy. And you're given this every morning now at 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time because this was really good. Even today, like when it was nice and chill at 8 a.m., it had this nice move. Well, how much was this? 481. And then the 550, 70 points, $1,400 right before the report. So obviously I'm never trading into a report, but you could have gotten out before. All right, let's see if we go to my 16 right here. Seems like we're almost there, $2,400 on one contract. This is one mini, just one. If you had two, that's $5,000. Nice job. Mike said he woke up to $600. That's on oil. Great job. The algorithm is $500 for the first 3 weeks as a paid trial, Then it's $1,000 every month after that. And again, the algorithm on the most minimal amount of contracts on a mini setup, so on a $7,000 to $10,000 account, has made, what was it? $18,678 in the last 55 days. Essentially the last like 3 months. Setting up your trading as a business LLC. Do you know of a tax company to do your profits? No. Absolutely not. You need to speak to a CPA about stuff like that. I'm definitely not a CPA. And I don't even have an LLC account for my trading purposes. Like, I never did that. I don't think it's worth, like, I started to try to do it. I just don't think it's worth the rigmarole. Like, somebody emailed me yesterday. They're like, yeah, but I can write off all my losses. I'm like, no, you can't. I'm like, if you make money for the year, you can't write off your losses. Like, what are you talking about? And if you lose for the year, there's still a cap on what you can write off. It's $3,000. Because, Rod, it's 50% off. That's why it's only for 3 weeks. I think 3 weeks is more than enough time for you to decide if you like the algorithm or not. That's the point of the trial. The point of the trial is you come into the algorithm, you come into the group, you already have everything ready to go. You come into the group, you spend 3 full weeks running the algorithm. If you like it, cool, you stay. If you don't, then you leave, and I'm okay with that. I'm always trading the NASDAQ. This is the NASDAQ. It's green, $2,300 on one contract on this short. Just took home a ban from, I don't know what that means. So it went to my ultimate target of 16. If I was manually managing this, I would have easily moved this stop loss down to like here now. Maybe even lower. Maybe like here. But I'm not doing that because I let the algorithm do its thing. You can just email me, boldbot, it's right here, llc@gmail.com. You can also go to any of my social medias. They're the same as my TikTok, which is boldbot_, just 1 underscore. You can also go check out my YouTube. I go live every day. Gotta have a huge account to trade. No, you don't, Corey. These are futures. You don't need a large account. You can trade this with a $7,000 account. So you would literally be up $2,500, 30% of your account in one trade. Don't spread misinformation, Corey. Also, out of my 193 members, half of them probably have an account between $2,000 and $5,000. And they trade micros, and they still kill it. They kill it. Latest messages. Let's see some of these. Look, Carlos has a small account. Andy has a big account. Brian has a big account. Robert has a big account. Jerry, $57 yesterday. Justin, $154. Eduardo, $575. I made $575 too, $587. LJ, $170. Pete, $690. Jeanette, $600. Like, if you can just make $100, even if you can just make $100 a day, which is super easy, then that's $2,000 a month. After paying the fees and commissions and everything, you're still left with $800 to $1,000 in profit off of that very minimal amount. This with 1 micro would have been $250 at the low. If you had 3 micros, that's $750. 3 micros. A micro costs you $100. Like, come on, get out of here with that. Yeah, you can easily compound over time, for sure. Yes, Shajad, you can purchase it right now. If you already have a NinjaTrader account, then yes. If you don't, I would say wait until you get your NinjaTrader account up and funded. But if you already have like an Apex account or a NinjaTrader account, then yes, you can get started today. Email me for the discounted link though, because it's not on my website. My admin will send it right away. So Andy made $1,000 already this morning. Brian made $1,100. We woke up to $300 on oil. Oil is green, $1,500 on the week, and it's 100% on 2, 4, 5 trades. 5 trades, oil. This was the trade overnight. It was like at 3 a.m. We were all sleeping, and we all made money. What's Ninja Trading account? That's the broker's. Some of these questions. NinjaTrader. It's a broker. This is who I'm using. You have to have an account with a NinjaTrader. That's the entire point. You can't use the algorithm unless you have an account with NinjaTrader. What's Santa doing? Santa's not doing anything. Santa's not doing anything exciting. Am I missing something? Well, my pullback hit. Are you talking about the long at 11,327? That was a really nice bounce, though. Bingo's back. I know, I should bring it back now. Ninja taking me a few days to get it rolling, but no, we're just starting up wire funds and all. Yeah, they pretty much approve people within like a day. So, yeah. If you're doing an LLC, again, that's going to take a while. So we're still in this short, but Santa is in this long for $400. I have no idea what a surge trader funded account is. I don't know. If it's on like Rhythmic, then yes. All right, so NQ Pink took profit there. Again, no touching at all. This was break even. This was $1,000 and then break even. This was $800 break even. This went to $2,500. It locked up $1,300. Again, that's fully automatic, hands-free, no touching at all. You're at work, you're sleeping, whatever. You just made $1,600 on the day from one contract of oil and one contract of the NASDAQ. Yeah, exactly. See, Mike just said he was approved with Ninja in 5 minutes. Yeah, I've heard some people that are approved instantly. My bank won't do ACH funds transfer, so I had to do a wire. Oh, yeah, that's totally fine. I've heard that before. But a wire should show up the same exact day, just like an ACH shows up the next day. So, unless you did like a 3-day wire. But most people do like same-day wires. All right, we're green $800 on this Santa long. Fast is green 135. I need to update the setting spreadsheet. NQ Pink, 1280. 300 for oil. Oil's going to be 1,500 on the week. Remember, I go live every day from 9:15 to 10:30, so make sure you follow me because I go live every day on TikTok and on YouTube. If you want more information about my algorithm, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com, please. My admin will send you an informational email, and then you can decide if you want to move forward or not. Hi, Harley. Harley, people are loving your Marine picture in the group. I've had a few people DM me like, oh, is he in the Marines? I used to be. And I'm like, well, why don't you just DM him? Why aren't you DMing me? Harley, aren't you glad you joined? Did you get the oil trade overnight? Free money. Free money. Exactly. Just compile all that. So Santa's still in this long. I was 18 in the pick. Well, they're real excited about it. I'm actually kind of hungry. What would you say is the average drawdown? It depends on your account size, but I would say around, like for the whole year of 2022, it was like $4,000. So I don't think it's very bad. Jared said first week running the Algo and he's hooked. Yay, Jared. I love to hear that. Data for analysis is greater than $250 a month for Ninja. Ew, that's nasty, Felix. I would never want to pay that. I pay $12 a month. Who's paying $250 a month for data for an LLC account? No, thank you. Like, you can still write off stuff to an LLC without having an LLC trading account. You know what I mean? Harley said, I do profit every day being in the group, so I'm happy. Nice. Very cool. Can people with no trading experience do this? Yes. You can be a newbie royalty and do this just fine. We have a lot of people that are in the same boat. Does the algo reset after the trade if you manually move the stop loss? Nope, if you move the stop loss, it's totally fine. It doesn't, like if I took this and I move it up here, it's not going to affect anything of the algorithm. So Santa is in a $1,000 long here, $1,100. Let's look at the 20-minute chart. So we're back to the chop zone. Obviously, if you're in the Santa trade, I would be a little nervous that we are back at the chop zone. I don't have the chop zone flowing over to all my charts, but if I did, you would see it here. You would see like the gray box. But yeah, it won't affect the algorithm at all. It will just take you out of the trade here instead of wherever the trail hits. Like these thin lines are the trail stops. So with the trail stop, it will take you out automatically. So if I move this all the way down here, it will still take me out when it crosses beneath the trail. But if you wanted to be like, well, I just want to guarantee myself this area, you could do that. It's not going to affect anything. All right, almost $1,200 on this long of the Santa with one mini. Is there a mandatory withdrawal cap? So not mandatory. You can withdraw 2 times per month for free. Those are ACH withdrawals. They show up in your bank account the very next day. They're processed right away. If you want to do more than that, you can. They just charge you like a $10 convenience fee or something. This is NinjaTrader. You have to use NinjaTrader to use my fully automated algorithm. If you want more info, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Or can you compound enough? Oh, no, I don't think they'll make you withdraw if you have a bunch of money in your account. I'm sorry, I didn't fully read your question, and then I just did, and I was like, oh, he wasn't even asking that. So yeah, you can, like I have people that have, close to $1 million in their account, 300,000. So you can have a bunch in your account, I don't think. Obviously, it gets a little sticky if you're taking more than like 30 contracts or 50 contracts at a time. I think that's where people would want to be careful, but a lot of people aren't in that situation. Trust the system. I cannot do this for you. I can help you get it fully set up. All you have to do is join, get the discounted link by emailing me, trust the system, and then I myself, and I have 2 admins that are on my payroll, and they help everyone get fully set up. It's very, very easy. Step-by-step videos are given to you, and they help you. White glove service. I'm really big on customer service, and they'll get it all set up for you. But it has to be done through your own trading account, and you are the one essentially managing it. Because we are not managing anyone's account. All right, still in this long of Santa at $1,000. We can write off the fees of the Algo tool expenses. Again, Janice, I'm not a CPA. You're going to have to talk about those things with a CPA. But do people write off Algo expenses? Yes. Do they write off, the mentorship? Yes. But, they have that business right to do that. So those are all things that I am not versed in. So Santa took profit there. You could see it crossed and it took profit. Carter said it's really easy to set up with her guidelines. It's very simple. Harley said it's very simple and they help you. It's amazing. It does work in Canada, but you can't use NinjaTrader as your broker. You're going to have to either get a funded program, use Interactive Brokers, or use GFF Broker if you're in Canada. If you're anywhere else in the country, you can use NinjaTrader. I'm not sure why Canada is so tight-ass. Personally is better. Yes, I agree, Felix. If you appreciate the stream and the information, please tap the screen. If you're on TikTok, it sends me likes. It really helps the stream. And if you're on YouTube, please give a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Yes, even in Australia. I have people in the UAE. I have people in South Africa. I have people in the UK. I have people in Australia, people in New Zealand. I have people all over in my group. And they all use NinjaTrader. People in Mexico. I don't know what that means. Still some stuff is behind. You're confused. You can just email me. Janice, you have my email. You can just email me whatever questions come to mind when they come to mind, and I will reply right away. I feel like I cover everything pretty clearly in my live streams and in the email that was sent to you. Like, you were on my YouTube watching Tradeovate and you didn't even realize it was Tradeovate. Like, it says Tradeovate. And I don't talk about Tradeovate on my live streams. I only talk about NinjaTrader, because NinjaTrader is the only platform you can use for the algorithm. Yes, correct. Samirus, I'm sorry, it's hard for me to pronounce that. Yes, we have a setting in NinjaTrader that will fully close all of the algorithms, any open positions, any open orders, before the margin call. So correct. Nice. Very cool. Invest outdoors. Well, take them up on that. I will not talk to you on the phone because I am very particular about my privacy. But again, I will answer as many questions as you send me via email. I go live every day. I answer like a million questions during every live. So you can ask me questions right now. I'm still going to be live until 10:30. I'll be live again tomorrow. Or you can email me. Make sure you follow me. I go live every day from 9:15 to 10:30. Chris Thornburg, what are you talking about? Couldn't figure what out. I was trying to find like your original message, but I don't see anything else. I don't see any other questions from you. You are awesome. I will definitely get set up with you. Thanks, Royalty. How do you provide a private ED? Zoom? Yes, correct. It's through Zoom. My private calls are through Zoom. Also, if you're a student of mine, we do a group student call once a month. That's coming up on January 23rd on a Monday. Felix said just do it. It's worth it. I just bought a new laptop to set up nice. Nice. But you are going to want to use VPS, and VPS is its own private server anyway, so you don't really need a fancy computer. You just need something. Jenny said, you're great. Is mentorship is live session or recording? The digital mentorship is just that. Digital videos. They are pre-recorded videos. They are sent to you. You can watch them as many times as you need to. You have access for life. We're in another long here for $900 on Santa. Santa. And then also, again, you get 1 free month in the Slack group. So if you purchase the mentorship, which is $1,000, a one-time fee, you get 1 free month in the group. And then you can, the pre-order is for the bot. No. She asked about the mentorship. So there's 2 separate things. There's a mentorship, if you want to learn how to manually trade futures, and then there is a bot. The bot is a monthly subscription, but you can try it for 3 weeks for $500, which is 50% off. Yes, I do. If you email me, Alchemy, I can send them to you. Also, just, this was something one of my members just broke down. For the past 55 days, and I can share this again because you're probably new to the stream, the past 55 trading days, we've made $18,678. He made this little Excel spreadsheet with all of the results from the bold range. Bold range is one of my algorithms. It was 88% for NQ in the year of 2022. It was 84% on ES for the 2022 trading year. And oil, we just started in October, and that was around like 90% for that last few months. All right, so we're in a $1,600 long on Santa here. Santa Banana. This is one contract. You can see that right here. One contract. Thanks for sharing, Randy. I appreciate it. So both you would just add 500 plus 1,000 cold. So it's $1,000 for the mentorship, and it's $500 to try the algorithm. So that's $1,500. Yes, the mentorship is totally separate from the bot, because if you think about it, the mentorship is teaching you how to manually trade. The bot is not doing that. The bot is trading for you. The bot was created because people after COVID in my group said, I have to go back to work. I have to go back to the field. Or people that come to me and say, I can't manually trade because I get my emotions tied into it, or I don't understand what's happening. So those people just want to use the algorithm, and that's why I created it. Now, if you want to learn how to manually trade and then help apply those ideas and things that I've taught you to the algorithm, that is even better. That's like a bam, bam, like a double whammy. So yes, you can do both. But typically people choose one at a time and then go from there. Like they'll do the mentorship and then say, oh, I really learned a lot. Now I want to use the algorithm. Or they do the algorithm and they're doing really well, and the profits they make from the algorithm, they then apply to taking the mentorship so they can learn more about what is happening, what they're looking at, and all that stuff. But yeah, they're two totally separate services. No. JC. To be honest, great return on investment. Yeah, to be honest. Yep, so the risk to reward ratio depends on which strategy you're talking about. The ideal account size is going to be $7,000 to $10,000. But I have probably 50% of my group using an account from $2,000 to $5,000. So this is a $1,600 long, $1,700, $1,800 long on Santa. Oh, also Pink is in a long too for $400. Pink already locked up $1,300 on the day. Now it's in a long as well for $300. Yes. So I trade off of a live account that's $10,000 every single day. You don't need a certain computer because you're going to be using a VPS. A VPS is what is recommended. Santa Banana is still in this long. This is insane. Where is Steve? Steve better be in this fucking long. Yep, sure thing. Yeah, you don't need a specific computer because you're going to be using a VPS. So as long as, it doesn't matter if you have a Mac or if you have a PC, you're going to have a VPS. A VPS is its own virtual private server that's created for you. It's brand new, it's clean, it's, it has a bunch of space. I started with 5K and I'm well over 10K market. It's been less than a year. Yeah, and you started slow, Carter, too. You really just kind of pushed up in the last few months, I would say. Do. So again, this is scalper. Range starts in a bit, so this is what range looks like, these blue boxes. We are not 100% because ES had a loss yesterday. We're 100% on NQ and on oil for the week. So NQ on range is green $1,300 and oil is green $1,500. So that's $2,800 on the most conservative setups that don't include this one. They don't include, yeah, oil is so good. That don't include Santa. Good job, Kenny. Proud of you. Yes, I did take my time. I'm almost at my 50K mark. Ooh, very nice. $1,600. Like, this long is just having a good old time here. Bruce put it in a dollar sign. Whoa! Justin made it $2,800 today manually trading. He's one of my students and one of my one-on-one students. All right, so it locked up that long, and it's in another long, and it's guaranteed green. See how that happens so fast? So fast. I want to stretch this out. All right. Also, pink. I'm going to move fast over here. Pink is also still in this long green, $400. So $1,700 on Santa today off of one contract. Now we're in a short. Well, hardly. If you don't have $10,000, you can't do 2 CLs. But if you do, then you can definitely think about it. All right, pink. So Santa's out of that short. Pink is still in this long for $500. I'm trading the NASDAQ on the futures market. If you want more info on this is a fully automated algorithm. You can just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Steven said you are so consistent. I try. I really try. The algo tries. We appreciate you noticing, Steven. Nice, Justin. Justin made $2,200. Maybe that's why you didn't post the last few days, because you weren't running range. I want to know, Justin. Nice. Pepe's green, $2,000 on Santa today. Because I don't touch any of this, Daddy. I don't think you understand. It does everything on its own. I don't touch anything. I just sit here and I show you guys. That's it. I'm over here talking to my group. That's more important to me. Or answering questions. That's pretty much what I do. It's literally green, $1,700 on the day. It can take a $125 loss. It's okay. I am going to be okay with that. Fast is in a short. Pink is still in that long. Guaranteed green on this, because you can see the stop loss is below the entry. Remember, if you don't follow me, please follow me. And if you appreciate the stream, please tap the screen, send some likes, give a thumbs up in YouTube. I do this for you guys because I could really still be sleeping. Fast is having a hard time today, so we're keeping that off. The long seems like it still wants to play out. We are at the top of the chop zone now. If you're new here, you've probably never seen this before. This is my proprietary zone that I give to my group every single day by 6 a.m. now, so much earlier. And, yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. Santa's in a short for $300. Santa banana. Santa banana. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for sharing the live. I really appreciate it. If you know anyone that might be interested in a fully automated algorithm or robot that trades for them, please let them know. I go live every day. You can also go to my YouTube, BoldBot, and take a look at all my past live streams. I go live every day and I don't edit anything. Everything is as it is. You'll see losses, you'll see wins, you'll see me coughing a bunch if you watch the ones in October. December, because I was sick. Nice job, Mo. Mo made $120 overnight with oil on micros. That's what I'm talking about. All right, the short is $400 here. Sounds good, cold. Ivan, I'm not sure if you asked this before. Everything's live. We are live every day The algos run at different times. So, like, typically you don't see oil running on the live stream, but you will see NASDAQ always. Sometimes you'll see ES, RTY, YM, but just not right line. Nice, Ryan. Strong, strong, strong. Yep, the long entry was perfect too. Yes, it's all real, Ivan. It's all real. We've made $18,000 in the last 55 trading days, and that's only based off of NQ, ES, and oil. Bit of a consolidation on Santa. Yep, and that's totally normal because it had two huge longs. It had this huge long at 9:57, and then it had this huge long at 10:10. So it makes sense. It's up here trying to figure out what it's going to do, but it took profit there. Yep, sure thing. Currently, there are 192 people in the group that are using the algorithms. They're doing really well. If you want to check out any of my posts on Instagram or TikTok or Twitter, I post my results and their results every single day. So you can check those out. Where did Pink go? Because I think Pink is still in that long. Yeah, Pink is still in this long. So you can run the bot on forex pairs. You can, but the main focus is futures. Most of things that people run on forex are the same as futures, like the S&P 500, the NASDAQ 100, the Dow, the Russell, oil, gold. We run all of those things, but on the futures market. So you can also run my algorithm on common shares of stocks. The only thing you really can't run it on is options. You can pretty much run it on everything else. 55K? What was the 55K? It's probably based off of a mini. Oh, the 55K for the year on the NASDAQ, that was based off of two minis. Only because NQ has two targets, but ES and oil only have one target, so I only run those with one. That was fast. We're still in the long on Pink. So Pink has taken 4 trades today. All of them were profitable. Well, this is the 4th one. But yeah. If you have any questions... Oh, no, Kyle. If you have any questions, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. I can send you an informational email with the discounted link for the first month or 3 weeks. I say I don't need to... Yes, you can day trade 23 hours a day, 5 days a week. Well, Sunday through Friday. Because the market opens at 6 p.m. for the following day. So, like, on Sunday at 6 p.m., that's the Monday session. Oh, good, Kyle. You had me worried for a second. What do you keep your account balance at? Always $10,000. Is there a website? Yes, it's literally right here, Ivan. Ivan, come on, y'all. I'm going to need, like, and this is where it gets frustrating with people in the group, too. Y'all, you got to read. It's right here. It's also in my bio. It's in my bio. Santa's in a short. NQ Pink might take a loss there. We'll have to see. It's red, $320. Do we ever report at 10:30? Looking forward to this. Will be funding my account and getting the subscription today. Sounds good, Eric. I will be around. Mental health. Oh my God, that's so funny. Sorry, I'm like reading a text message on my phone as I'm looking at you guys. Yeah, so again, everything, if you just email me, everything is also in there. Like when in my signature, I have my social medias and I have my website. But yes, my website's not going to give you more information than I give you on the live stream though, honestly. The live stream, I answer every single question you could ever have. If you email me in the informational email, it's going to have the FAQ, which is a frequently asked question document. We're bumping back up. The NQ pink is still in this long. It got close to that level. I don't want to read. Yeah, nobody wants to read. Everybody just wants me to spoon feed them money. Here, you want some money? Open your mouth. Here you go. Open your mouth. Next. Okay, keep the line moving, people. Is NQ... that doesn't make any sense. Is NQ is Santa Banana? I'm so confused. Santa Banana is a strategy. It is being ran on the NQ. Yes. Pretty much all of these are on NQ. There's nothing else I'm running right now. What is your rule of withdrawing out of a trading account? I typically do it every Friday. The spoon is too small. Can you use a shovel? Sure. Is your mouth big enough for a shovel, Carter? Vi, yes, but I would never use it on crypto because I hate crypto. Yeah, that's not a good idea, Justin. Don't do that. Don't do that ever again. He said no. What stock or future is this? The NASDAQ. I only trade futures. Why would I show oil? We're not in an oil trade, King. Oil's $1,500 on the week. 5 for 5. All right, we're going to get stopped on this pink, but that's fine because it was green. 1,300 anyway. So it had one loss. 3 out of 4. You can use an old laptop. Why oil, King? It's not in any trades. Okay. To make sure what? This is oil. 78.29 is the trading price. Yeah, I don't do that. Sharavolve. You can use an old laptop. It doesn't matter. Because you're going to be using a VPS. Justin, I sent you a disciplining message in a DM. You can run something in simulation while still focusing on the main algorithm, which is range. There's no reason anyone should be putting range on hold to play with scalper. Like, that's just going to make me mad. Don't do it. Don't make me mad. Yep, it's crude oil. Kyle said, all hail the banana. All right, where are we at? It's 10:32. I'm going to get off here. Will we get the latest algo on road if any updates are done? Yes. If any updates are done and you're in the group, I will give them to you. Obviously, there's no point in giving someone that's not in the group an update, but yes. I always do that. Or if I create a new algorithm and you're in the group, you get access to that too. But yes, all updates are given. Can you pass a prop firm? Yes, you can. I have several people in my group that have done that. They've passed a prop firm. They continue using it after the fact. I'm not sure why some companies say you can't, but you can. All right. I'll be back tomorrow, 9:15. Make sure you send me an email if you want more information, boldbotllc@gmail.com. And Jenny, please just send me your questions in an email, and I can answer them that way. It's so much easier. All right. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Bye. Tomorrow is Friday. All right, YouTube. I'm getting off of here. Justin. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.